Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Do you know how your personal information and internet browsing history are recorded and sold? In this video, I'll share the $400 billion data collection business collecting and selling your personal information, how cookies and tracking pixels collect your personal information, and using private browsing. Everything you do online is tracked, collected, sorted, and sold. Collecting and selling your personal information is a $400 billion a year business and growing. The author George Orwell warned about government collecting personal information, the so-called surveillance state. Some people firmly believe government agencies are spying on them, while in most cases, individuals voluntarily share their personal information. Collecting and sharing your personal information is not limited to the internet. Using retailer loyalty cards, record every purchase. Using your credit card for in-store purchases records every purchase. Surveillance cameras use facial recognition software and track your movements. In most cases, the information collected is sold to data collection companies. This can expose you to fraud and identity theft. Almost everyone likes cookies. The cookies websites install on your computer, tablet, and phone are not sweet treats. Cookies are small text files stored on your device when you access a website. They store user data and preferences, collect data over multiple sessions, track user behavior over multiple websites, can be session-based or specified duration, and personalize experiences based on history. Most websites ask you to accept some or all cookies. Accessing one website can share your personal information by dozens of businesses, in this case 104 partners. You can set your browser to block or delete cookies. When you block or restrict cookies, you may no longer have access to some website functions. While websites use cookies, websites and email can collect your personal information using tracking pixels. You open an email with a logo, photo, or artwork. Within the image code is a 1x1 pixel tracking pixel. The pixel notifies the sender you open the email and more. Because it's a 1x1 pixel, you don't know if the email has a tracking pixel. Tracking pixels, like every other pixel, is defined by source code. Unlike cookies stored in your device's memory, tracking pixel code is embedded in web pages and emails and not stored on your device. Tracking pixels monitor interaction, like opening an email, gather personal information, transmit user data when accessing content, content-specific where used, active as long as content is live, and used for marketing campaigns. Tracking pixels can be retargeted, conversion, analytical, social media, email tracking, and affiliated. Affiliated tracking pixels are used to record a sale due to an affiliate's website. Tracking pixels monitor interactions like opening an email, identify the device type and operating system, identify the browser used, record the time you open an email or visit a website, record IP address, your screen resolution, referral URL, and track clicks, scrolls, and form submission. There is currently no way of knowing if a website or email has tracking pixels without specialized software. You can disable email tracking pixels by using plain text instead of HTML, or by turning off automatically downloading photos. At this time, browsers cannot block tracking pixels. Most browsers allow private browsing. Under the File menu, there should be the option of opening a new private window. Private browsing does not save your browsing history or cookies, but it does not block tracking pixel data collection. Using private browsing does not prevent your internet service provider from recording your activity. The takeaway from this video is that cookies and tracking pixels provide businesses with useful analytics, but they also collect personal information that can be used for fraud and ID theft. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.